Hey everyone, in this video today we'll talk about build tools, Vite, and how to create a React application using Vite. So what is a build tool? A build tool is like a safe for your code. It takes all your ingredients such as JavaScript files, CSS, images, it prepares them, bundles them, and optimizes them so the application runs smoothly in a browser or on a device. So why do we need it? It converts modern code into older formats for browser support, combines files like turning application.js, utils.js, and vendor.js into one bundle.js. It removes extra spaces, comments, or unused code to make the files smaller. It optimizes images, fonts, and style. And during development, it can watch your file and auto-refresh your application, saving a lot of dev time. So, what is Vite? Vite is a super fast build tool. It was created by Ivan Yu for Vue.js, but it works with React, Vue, TypeScript, and JavaScript. So, how to create a React application with Vite? Creating a React application with Vite is super easy. Make sure you have Node.js and npm installed, and you need to run the following command: npm create vite@latest. After this, follow the following steps. Enter your project name, pick a name for your project, choose a framework. For this we'll select React because we're installing React. Pick a variant, which is JavaScript or TypeScript. This can be quite trickier, but if you want to get started fast and you don't need strict type checking, use JavaScript. But if you are building a bigger application or want fewer runtime bugs and strong code safety, use TypeScript. Then, once this is complete, navigate to your project folder by typing the following command: cd your project name. Install all the dependencies using npm install. And once that is installed, run the development server using npm run dev. Vite only works with a Node.js version greater than 20.19. So if you use Node.js lesser than 20, there will be some error messages and it won't work. So now let's create the React application using Vite on our Visual Studio Code. In your Visual Studio Code, open terminal, check the Node.js version because sometimes the global version and terminal Node.js version might be different, using Node-V in Mac. As you can see, my Node.js version is 20.19. Now create the React application using Vite using command npm create vite@latest. Enter. After this, it will ask you to enter your project name, test React application. Select the framework as React. Select JavaScript for this tutorial. Do you want to use beta version? No. Install with npm start now? Yes. As you can see, Vite has now installed React and given us the URL for the local development. If you copy this URL and paste it in your browser, you should be able to see the local development environment. There is your React application installed. So remember, build tools are your coding safe. Vite is a fast modern build tool, and with it, creating a React application is quick and easy. Start using it and you make your web app development faster and smoother.